Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the brand new 2025 Rpod 205 Couples Travel Trailer by Forestriver RV. This is a rear kitchen, front bedroom, new floor plan for the 2025 Rpod lineup. We're going to take a few minutes here and walk you through the inside and the outside of this new RV and kind of go over it top to bottom, inside and out, and show you what this RV is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Rpod 205 Couples Travel Trailer here. As you seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a rear kitchen, front bedroom unit. We're going to start actually back here in the back, and then we will kind of work our way forward for you. So first things up, you're going to have your little kitchen sink area back here. There's a little bit of storage underneath of that sink area down there. You're going to have the high-rise spring sprayer faucet, very nice faucet for an RV. There is a little kind of cutting board slash sink cover there hanging on the wall that basically covers the top of your large bowl sink. Both windows back here do open, have pull-down roller shades on them. You have a pop up and down electric outlet back there. You're going to have USB charger ports, electric outlet just above your convection microwave down there, so you could cook or microwave either one. You are going to have 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers right here as well. You have a 2-burner gas stovetop with the flip up and down glass lid that kind of acts as a little bit of a backsplash there. You have the hood range light and fan built in up there. You're going to have a decent amount of overhead cabinet space on that section, and then you'll have even more over here. You do have your IRV radio for indoor and outdoor speaker use. Stepping back here a little bit, you're going to have another little cabinet area right there. Then you have your 12-volt smart TV. I like the fact that they made it 12 volt, so if you do boondock camp, you could still, pull in some regular channels and stuff. Shameless plug here, guys. We have the All About RVs YouTube channel up right there. Currently sitting at about 64,500 and some odd subscribers on my channel. If you want to, please remember to like, share, subscribe if you don't mind helping out the channel. Much appreciated. You are going to have another little cabinet area right here. A big window right here at the dinette section, basically overlooking that awning side or campsite area. That window does also open. This little dinette will actually go down and make into a bed, and you have storage underneath of that as well. Now, a couple quick things right here. This customer went with the Furrion rear observation camera, very nice camera system to consider adding. It does come standard with the tire pressure monitoring system. This is very nice. TST tire pressure monitor. Definitely a good safety feature to have on any RV. It is all linoleum floor in here. You're going to have your electric box with your breakers and fuses and propane leak detector down there, along with the dustpan vac and central vac feature right there. You do have the 12-volt refrigerator with the freezer on top, refrigerator portion on bottom. You have your propane furnace right there. And then you're going to also have above that your pantry area. A very nice pantry setup. Back here is going to be the bathroom area for the RV. So kind of starting from the top down right here, you do have a large turbo exhaust fan right there to get some moisture out of here. You're going to have the ABS tub surround step-in shower with the pull-across vinyl door. You do have a foot flush toilet, a little bit of shelf space and cabinet space down below the sink area right there. And then you have your traditional medicine cabinet up above. And some little towel holders and stuff there. Spinning on around, kind of looking at the front side of the RV now here. You are going to have the little theater seat set up here so you could sit 2 people down comfortably, and these little tables swivel around to help you get in and out of there. And they also are removable, so you can just move them out of your way if you're not interested in actually having them out. The window behind there also opens. On the side of the wall here, you got your monitor panel, water heater on gas button, the electric button, or no, wait, yeah, water heater on gas button. Basically, it's kind of a kill switch because this is an on-demand water heater on this model. You also have your water pump, your monitor panel, your digital thermostat for your propane furnace, and your duct or your AC system here. Overhead cabinet space. Just kind of looking up there, you can see your Furrion air conditioner just blows right out that section there. And then you also have some more ducts throughout the RV. So you can quick dump it or you can make it go through the ducts. Little hanging thing there. You're going to have your entry exit door here. Does have the window built in. That's Lippert thin shade ready. If you want to do that, you can get that aftermarket shade. Got your awning button, awning light, porch light, interior light, your 30 amp charge controller right here for the 200 watt solar panel that's on there. It is expandable if you wanted to add more solar to it aftermarket. You are going to have 2 sliding doors for the bedroom privacy here. Window over here does open. You are going to have a little hanging closet space on each side of the bed. A little bit of shelf space up above there. The window on the front also opens. Has a pull down nightshade, pull up screen system on it. And back in behind here, you have electric outlet, little shelf back there. So you can stash some goodies back there. Window over there also opens. But a decent amount of room in here for a, under a roughly 25-foot travel trailer here. All right, we are going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Rpod 205 travel trailer by Forestriver RV here. We're going to start here on the door side and kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, you have a white and kind of dark gray fiberglass exterior attached to an upgraded Azdel composite material instead of those cheap wood Luan backers. It is a foam block insulated aluminum studded sidewall. You have a lower black metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. Deep tint safety glass windows. Across the front area right here, you are going to have a large pass-through storage area. There's USB charger port, light switch, motion light in there as well. Now kind of looking down below here, you can see one of your 4 heavy-duty stabilizer jacks, along with the enclosed underbelly underneath the RV as well. You're going to have the heavy-duty Lippert solid entry step here. Comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet on it. Rated for 500 pounds. Flips inside the doorway when you are traveling. Doesn't shake and rock and roll the RV as bad as those old traditional hover style. And again, it's able to hold more weight. You have a large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. They are currently using that G-glass kind of safety glass entry door, black tinted glass with the window built in. That window again is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you can get for that. It is a double axle unit. Some of the smaller Rpods are single, so depending on your floor plan that you go with, you may have a difference here as well. But you have aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. A nice power awning here with adjustable arms for tilting, LED light strip built in, and it has a manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. You also have 2 outdoor speakers up here, traditional porch light, your stove exhaust vent up there. There's a little flapper in there that you got to open. The unit comes with a griddle and this little table. I did not get the griddle out. but you kind of see that little table. The griddle would hang on the rail as well. You got an electric outlet right there, and you also have a hot and cold outside utility shower right there. So if you did need water while cooking, you got it right there. Nice. You are going to have your on-demand water heater located back here in this corner. Now just kind of looking down below, you can see there's a gas line hookup down here for that griddle. Again, enclosed underbelly continuing on back, and the rear stabilizer jack setup. Now moving along to the back side here, you have a traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. You can obviously see the spare tire mount and cover on the bumper there. Just looking down below again, you can see the unit has a 2-inch hitch receiver on the back, which is just kind of a luggage rack, and also the low point water drains down there for your hot and cold water lines. Now in the top right corner right there, the unit is prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's an aftermarket ladder you can purchase and basically telescope it up, hook it on, climb up and down on and off to your roof, and kind of do your inspections of your seams and seals and stuff. Speaking of the roof, let's hop up here real quick and check out what the roof of this Rpod 205 actually looks like. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and just kind of show you folks what the roof of the 2025 Rpod 205 might actually look like depending on where you buy it from. So reason why I say that, kind of starting back here in the back, that little black Max Air dome is not standard from the factory. However, this customer did add that on. Nice little dome that allows you to leave the roof vent and stuff open in the rain and just kind of let the air flow out. But that is optional. Talk with your sales guy if that interests you. I believe they have a special going on right now at Couch's RV Nation on the Rpods, so talk with them about that. You do have a skylight back there and a plumbing stack vent back there as well. Normal equipment there. You're going to have the 200-watt standard solar panel, the Winegard 360 antenna over there, and the Furrion air conditioner right there. But now the big reason of kind of hopping up here, guys, was to show you that there are a lot of items up here that you do have to maintain your seams and your seals and stuff to make sure that your RV stays lasting for years to come. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground again, guys. Just extremely important, do your maintenance to keep up with things. In the top center right there, the unit comes prepped for the Furrion rear observation camera. Very nice camera system that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. This particular customer, the customer went with that feature. Down below here, you can see again, another rear stabilizer jack. On forward a little bit, you have your black and gray tank dumps right there to dump your waste, everything coming out of one container there. You are going to have your black tank flush right here to rinse out your toilet tank. You have your furnace exhausting out right here. You got a little motion light here in case you got to come over here for nighttime. A cable and satellite inlet, and your detachable 30 amp power cord right here as well. What do you guys think of the new look and graphics and stuff for the 2025 Rpods? You guys like the new look? Now just looking down below underneath it here, you can see again another front stabilizer jack and the low point drain for the portable fresh water tank right there also. You have your city water inlet and your gravity fill fresh water inlet right here as well. Now on this side right here, there's a little panel that is removable. You take out a few screws and that's where you get back in behind there to winterize the RV. Now, important info right here, guys. So this is what we call the production date sticker. Tells me this RV was built 1/28 of 25. Model number, again, 205. But it tells me that the RV has a gross weight of 6,143 pounds. It's the most you're allowed to load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Now, the RV, when it rolled off the assembly line with these options, weighed 4,456 pounds with an exterior length of 25 feet. Tire size on here was 205/75 R15 D-range tires with a 65 PSI cold. So very important to keep up with your tire pressure. And again, this comes with that nice TST tire pressure monitoring system to help you do so. So make sure you keep up with that, extremely important. Now you can see this front is really rounded and really rolls back over top. So it has a lot more aerodynamics to it versus the traditional flat front that a lot of cheaper trailers are. You are going to have power tongue jack right here, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wire and plug, two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. This customer went with 2 deep cycle batteries. It doesn't come with any batteries from the RV maker. Most RV dealers do provide you with a battery though. However, make sure you get one in case they don't. This particular customer went with 2. You have the battery disconnect right there, along with that little yellow box, which is the repeater for the tire pressure monitor. Lower diamond plate metal, and again, a fiberglass roll up there. You are going to have a nice windshield here. Again, that opens, very nice. And it has kind of a little amber light accent going on there as well. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV tours. As always, you are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel. If you haven't done so already and you're interested in keeping up with more videos, please remember to subscribe and do yourself a big favor and check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.